Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300 that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the air conditioner clutch relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. The air conditioner clutch relay, where you can guys expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Chrysler 300 right here. Now, quick reminder guys, we have more than one fuse boxes in that Chrysler 300 and 9 out of 10 people do not know where they're located. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chrysler 300. The air conditioner relay guys, we need to check two of them. One is under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine. On the left side here you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys, so you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, we need to check two relays, one in this fuse box, one in another one. Please make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The relay that we need to check, starting this way, that's relay 40, 41, 42, 43. That relay right here is the one that you need to check. Then open the trunk. In the trunk guys, that's the carpet liner, lift it up on the back side. Underneath you have your spare tire. You have a car battery, behind it you have a fuse box. Now that's a better angle guys, that's the fuse box, that's a car battery, spare tire. Press that tab here, open the cover, and you have that layout here. Specifically here we need to check one relay, and that's known as relay 71. We're talking about this relay right here. That's the one guys that you will need to check on your Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them guys, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.